to open the back cover on your Nokia 105 from 2023, first you have to rotate your device, and this small cutout will be right here, and you have to use your, for example, the fingernail, and gently lift this cover. Just like this. So it's located on the right bottom corner, and then you can move your fingernails and gently raise this cover. If you want to put it back, that's quite simple. I can recommend you to start from the upper section. So try to fit it correctly right here next to the flashlight. And if it is actually sticking into this frame, just push right here, just do this all around the phone, and as you can see right now, this cover is back on our Nokia. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.